Hello everyone, today in this video we will be talking about how to apply for a Schengen visa. A Schengen visa is a type of visa that allows you to travel to multiple countries in the Schengen area, which includes most of Europe. The application process for a Schengen visa can be complex, but with the right information and preparation, it can be a smooth process. In this guide, we will provide you with a step-by-step process on how to apply for a Schengen visa. Determine which type of Schengen visa you need. There are several types of Schengen visas, including tourist visas, business visas, and student visas. Determine which type of visa you need based on the purpose of your trip. Research the visa requirements. The visa requirements for a Schengen visa can vary depending on the type of visa and the country you are applying from. Research the visa requirements and gather all the necessary documents before applying. Some of the documents that you may need to provide include a valid passport, proof of travel insurance, and financial statements. Fill out the visa application form. The visa application form can be found on the website of the embassy or consulate of the country you plan to visit first. Fill out the application form completely and accurately. Any incomplete or inaccurate information can lead to the rejection of your application. Schedule an appointment. After filling out the application form, schedule an appointment at the embassy or consulate. The appointment can be made online or by phone. Make sure to schedule the appointment well in advance, as the wait times can vary. Attend the appointment. On the day of the appointment, bring all the necessary documents and attend the appointment. The embassy or consulate may ask you additional questions or request additional documents. Pay the visa fee. The visa fee can vary depending on the type of visa and the country you are applying from. Pay the visa fee at the embassy or consulate. Wait for the visa decision. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for the visa decision. The processing time can vary depending on the embassy or consulate. Check the website of the embassy or consulate for information on the processing time. In conclusion, applying for a Schengen visa can be a complex process, but with the right information and preparation, it can be a smooth process. Make sure to research the visa requirements, fill out the application form completely and accurately, and attend the appointment with all the necessary documents. If you need help with your Schengen visa application, contact us at info@elevanceconsultancy.com for more information.